Hey, what is going on, guys? Rob Reese here. Listen, this is a impromptu live, and the reason I'm doing this is because I think it is phenomenally important. I am overjoyed by what I just found here, and if anyone of you out there do YouTube, if my buddy Owen Video jumps on, okay, this guy is a major YouTube extravaganza coach. Okay, this guy is a much higher level than Warrior Plus JV Zoo types, and this particular software does something I've never ever seen before. And as a matter of fact, it's one of the main causes of actually people viewing and clicking on your videos. And this thing is going to help you either determine whether or not your video is going to be a success or failure. Now, there's no replacing getting good content out there, but this will make sure whether or not people even bother clicking on your videos. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that I personally have myself. I am a customer of this, and it is because I truly, truly believe in it. It's called Thumbnail Blaster. Okay, Thumbnail Blaster. This thing is quite incredible. Okay, it's not like your typical type of YouTube software or video software where it like live streams your stuff or anything like that. It puts it in multiple places like Restream. What this does and what it allows you to do is split test your images, your thumbnails. Now, one of the biggest factors on whether or not you're viewed, on whether or not YouTube actually shows your video to more people, and of course, if it continues to grow in views, is based on one factor: your thumbnails. Now, this is not just some type of Photoshop replacement. Nothing will replace Photoshop, but it does have a built-in image editor, which I'm going to show you in just a second for your thumbnails. It gives you a ton of templates depending on what package you end
On
up
this page,
picking
you will need
up.
to select the video that you want to
Hopefully,
change the
the
thumbnail.
audio for the
Now, in
tutorial
case you
will
did not select
stop
an account, then
in
you
a
will need to
second.
click on.
But as you can see from here, you have the ability to choose different videos and then go ahead and create from scratch or from templates that
On
are
this page,
available
you are
for
going
you
to
depending
see.
on the level that are beautiful pre-done. Now, I have opted to go with the full package just because I do a lot of YouTube videos and it's already showing itself valuable to me by giving me quite a bit of return on my investment. Okay, now, as exciting as that is, as great as these templates are, okay, and I apologize for the continuous tutorial that pops up every time I
Now,
click
as you can
something.
see, when using Thumbnail Blaster,
But as you can see, they create some of the greatest looking clickbaity, and I use that in a very pleasant way, type of images, and I can change the fonts, I can delete the fonts, I can edit anything that's even in here. I can save it as a JPEG. I can click save and continue, and then automatically tell it, hey, attribute it
alright,
to
that's
this
it.
particular video. But that is not even what I'm excited about. I think all of that is cool, all of that is necessary, all of that is spectacular. What I care about is this one thing and this one thing alone. The
Hey
fact
guys,
that
Vlad
you
here
can
from the Thumbnail
split
Blaster team,
test,
and I'm super
that you
excited.
can split test images. Currently, right now, I have a split test, my very first one, that's going to be going for 12 hours, where I picked one that was pre-done. I edited a little bit inside of here. I just added it about 10 minutes ago, and I'm going to go ahead and see what happens over the next 12 hours to see which thumbnail does better. I created this one on my own using Usign. You can use this tool itself to create one from scratch, blank canvas, the whole nine. But you can set it to 12 hours, you can set it to 24 hours, you can set it for a couple of days if you would like. But what's going to help with your YouTube is that it's going to allow you to see which one is more clickable, which are the ones that are attracting more people to click on your video versus another. Up until now, you've had to do it manually or pay for some extremely expensive tools that would potentially do this, and it's going to go ahead and track it for you. It's going to give you stats, and you're able to just go ahead and click which one you select. Boom, bing, bang, and you are done. Guys, this thing is absolutely incredible, and as you can see, I got it myself here, and I want to share the love with you guys. So if you guys are doing YouTube, if you guys are into building a YouTube channel, please go ahead and let me know. I'm going to do a very special bonus, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do a special 1 hour one-on-one or group coaching rather on YouTube thumbnails, because I'm in a high-ticket YouTube program that is showing me quite a bit of stuff. And one of the things that I learned is about designing YouTube thumbnails and what people care about within our BizOp MMO niche. And there are a specific set of rules that apply when it comes to creating clickable images that people want to click on and start watching your videos, and then of course a little bit of training on how to do the best type of titles for your videos. Now the product itself is on the front end, I believe it's $25 or $27. That is more than a steal. And I highly suggest that you go for the upsells. Rarely do I say, hey, check out the upsells. I'm telling you, the upsells are absolutely worth it 1,000% because of everything that you're getting in there. Plus, you're getting my unique bonus as well. And in order to get that bonus, you would simply message me on Facebook or message me by email at robcreece, R-O-B, the letter C, R-E-E-C-E, at gmail.com with a copy of your receipt, and we will schedule a time to go over your bonus YouTube training. But until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching this really quick review video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'm going to go ahead and drop a link to anybody who is interested, but this is the website. This is the sales page, okay? It is completely legit. It's going to give you some of the greatest things that you're going to get when it comes to YouTube analytics and the ability to make things absolutely pop with your video marketing. Shoot me a message if you want this, and I'll get it over to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, thanks so much. Have an incredible day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.